Hello everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. First and foremost, I apologize for my ashy hands. Please excuse them, guys. I wash my hands so many times a day, as we all do, so I'm sure to some extent you can relate. But then anyways, in today's video I'm just gonna be drawing a quick small two perspective shade house. Yeah, it's not really a tutorial, but it's more of like a drawing chat with me. In today's video, I want to talk about a quote which I actually absolutely love. Is by Chuck Close, and within that quote there's a part which he says, "Inspiration is for amateurs. The rest of us just show up and get to work." And this has always been my favorite quote. I love it so much, guys. It's even stuck on the back of my bedroom door. That's how much I love it. And I thought about, to some extent, yes, inspiration is very important. It's very important when you're coming up with concepts and you're like, this was inspired by what, or I went where, and when I was there, the beautiful trees, yes, inspiration plays a huge role in the design and creative space, in the concept development. It is very important. But what happens when you don't have inspiration? Does that now mean that you can't do anything? Because fact of the matter is that you're not always going to be in the position of traveling or exploring or researching or whatever for you to get your work done. So you not having inspiration, does that now mean that you have an excuse to not get your job done? Because sometimes, truth of the matter is that you just start saying, is the inspiration that you needed? I actually agree with this quote so much, because I'm always one of those people who's best friends with excuses, like, no, I don't have whatever, therefore I can't do whatever. It's like you're just so quick to get the excuses just so you don't have to do what you have to do. But at the end of the day, the only thing that comes from that is just you wasting your time, and that is something that you could never even buy back. It is something that you can never, so it is really not worth it. But then anyways, that is just something that I wanted to share with you guys. Let me know what you think about that. I absolutely love, especially in this day and age, because so many of us, I feel like, aren't pushing what we want to push. And our main excuse is always, I don't have time. But then right now, during the time that we're going through, all of us, the only thing that we do have now is time. And yet I'm most probably sure that most of us are still not doing the things that we said we couldn't do because we didn't have time. We're still not learning that software that you wanted to learn. Still not learning the new skill. You're still not doing your business proposal. You're still not researching. You're still not checking up on people. You're still not trying. You're still not getting in shape. It's like, now that we have time, what is our next excuse? And right now, I feel like our nearest excuse is, I don't have the inspiration, because all I do is just wake up, eat, bath, watch TV, watch YouTube, get on social media, and sleep, because I don't have inspiration. Like, I don't even go outside, I can't see the trees, I can't smell the fresh air, I can't do this. And it's like, first it was time, now it's inspiration. And before, when you didn't have time, if you didn't want to do something too, you'd be like, I don't have the inspiration. Now that you don't have time, now is that you don't have the inspiration. I feel like sometimes, to be honest, us not being inspired is just an excuse for us to not do what we know that we can. I just feel so. Like, we can agree to disagree, we can argue. Actually, we can argue down in the comment section. Yes, guys, please do comment. I really like engaging with you. Even though you don't have anything to comment, just be like, yo, we see you, or yo, what's up, oh yo, just a yo. But yeah, I feel like inspiration sometimes really is for amateurs. You just have to bite the bullet and go with it, and that on its own will be inspirational for you. But anyways, what have you guys been doing during this quarantine time? To be honest, I've not been doing enough, but I am trying. That is good. Almost enough. I am trying. What have you guys been doing? What softwares are you, what music are you guys listening to? What do you want to see from my channel? I feel like right now I did say, oh, and by the way, thank you so much for the views on this week's video of the how I created my chalkboard wall paint situation, my feature wall. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll put a card right up, and then I'll also link it in the description box. Yeah, thank you so much for that. That was so cool. I want to do more DIY things. It is a bit challenging. I feel like right now I'm just gonna make more excuses, when you're like, no, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this. It's like, okay, you don't have this, you don't have that, but there's so many things which you can do which don't require this and that. So I don't even want to say anything right now. But then that's what I want to build. That's how I want to build my channel, to be just not only sketches, because there is only so much that you can do when you're sketching. And model building, I haven't done that in a minute. Actually want to build something, just a quick something. But then you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoy my little tiny house. I know we can all see the imperfections, but we're just gonna look through them. We're just gonna look through them. And you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. YouTube told me that 40% of my viewers are people who haven't subscribed. I don't understand, guys. Like, subscribing, it literally costs you nothing. It just costs you just to click that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you can always get notifications when I upload. But then please do subscribe. Drop down those comments, questions, give this video a like. You giving a video a like just shows me and YouTube that you guys like the content that I'm doing, and you guys see me while I see you. So I hope that you guys will enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.